2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, bed liner, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.